This week's Ray Proud Moments, we're going to highlight the achievements of Jamaican sprinter Asafa Powell. So, Jamaica, big up, represent.
Ray Proud Moments is brought to you by Rain Deview White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit. Jamaican sprinter Asafa Powell has had a prolific career, having started his career in track while attending the Charlemont High School in St. Catherine. He is renowned for competing in the 100-meter races. Over the years, he has represented Jamaica in several international and local track meets, including the IAAF World Championships, the Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games, and the World Championships, among several others. In 2017, Asafa Powell entered the Guinness World Records for the most competitive 100-meter races completed in under 10 seconds. Asafa Powell's international success in track and field is indeed a Ray Proud moment. Ray Proud Moments is brought to you by Rain Deview White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit.
Now we're going to take you over to Trinidad for the wonderful music of Nyla Blackman. Here she is with more soca.
When the party start to swing, we gon' mash up everything. Tell the DJ start to play what we want. When the people start to sing, we gon' mash up everything. Tell the DJ start to play what we want. Hey you, where you are? We want more soca. You, where you are? We want more soca. You, where you want? We want more soca.
This is the part of the show where we give you the hottest songs in Jamaica. This is Magnum Top 10 Chart. Ready.
Thankful for the blessings that are falling on my table. Learning all my lessons, now I'm willing and I'm able to do just what I can. As humble as
friend, when I call bro God, and if nothing hurt them, me I go so mad. Cause them real, them no fake, them no tree like snake. Come and make it, everybody get a
I'm a teddy broke shot. Me couldn't left my gun figure foot. Chris full of bees on my jeans off the cut. Chris 34 and my waist well took. Which boy said the
Get wrong time at the wrong place. Car pull up like bolt in the last race. Square shot on them now wait. All the ends look
a top scam, a grab card. What make you think we got sad? None no breaks, no my car. Me have couple, I'm a friend.
Oh Lord God, me snapping. 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 Swing to the left and to the...
May I live life only one way. Also do me all till me turn grey. None of my dogs nothing hungry. We no one try.
custom beamer, custom broad, custom market, custom. Believe me, I've girl way a custom. I'm a thing when daddy one touchdown. Yeah.
Listen off a flow like a river. Listen off a flow like a river. Dapper them for know some man a leader. Shatter them ready for press the trigger. Bless
but I'm bad, stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Oh damn bad, stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin.
The nominees in the Best Reggae Album category of the 62nd Grammy Awards have been announced. They are Rapture by Coffee, As I Am, Julian Marley, The Final Battle, Sly and Robbie vs. the Roots Radics, Mass Manipulation by Steel Pulse, and More Work to Be Done by Third World. The 62nd Grammy Awards will take place January 26, 2020 in Los Angeles.
Tell them so we find it. Search and seek and find it.